This is my sewing machine. Yours might look a little bit different, but the important thing is that this machine only does straight stitch. That's the only thing it does, so that's the only thing we're going to be using to make this t-shirt. Now the first seam that we're going to make is we're going to join the shoulder seam. So to do that, we're going to place our fronts and backs with the good sides together, which begs the question, what is the good side? If you have already changed, like this back, for example, it's still nicely on the fold, like we cut it. So it's easy to know that the good side is on the inside, but if you lost track, you can stretch the fabric, and as you stretch it, on the bad side, it will be much more obvious where the grain line is, and you will see the sort of lines, and on the good side, you won't see that. So this is the good side. So I'm going to place the front with the good side up. Where's my foot? There we go. And then I'm going to place my back on top of that with the good side down. And then these two shoulder seams here, I will be joining together. Now remember that I used 1 centimeter seam allowance. So we need to sew this 1 centimeter from the edge, and if you're new to sewing, then you probably want to mark that. But the truth is that we are not that bad at estimating what centimeters, so you can just eyeball this and it will be much quicker, at least once I can get this fabric to lie flat the way I want it. Okay, so this is more or less 1 centimeter from the edge. At the start, we're going to go in and then go back a little bit to lock our thread. That is standard sewing. I'm also going to change my stitch length a little bit. There we go. Then we go back a little, and then we go forward. And then we sew this seam.